Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you my CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript project number 1, which is the Wiki. Let's get started. First of all, when you visit wiki/title, if the title exists, it's gonna redirect you to an existing entry, let's say HTML. But if you visit something that doesn't exist, let's say CS50, it's going to give this error page, no entry was found. Also, let's go back to the home page or the index page if you want. If you click one of those entries, it's going to redirect you to that entry page. Let's say Kung Fu Panda or anything. Next, there is a search bar here. If you type anything, let's say HTML, if that query exists, it's gonna redirect you directly to that page. But if you type a substring of an existing entry, let's say hello, it's gonna give you the result of entries that have the query as a substring, or we can say E, or we can say O, or we can say I, or we can say L. Yeah, that's how it's work. But if you type something that doesn't exist at all, let's say line, it's gonna give you this error, no result found. Another thing is you can create a page. There's a create new page button here. You need to type the title is rated, or you can put, let's say, with over 1 billion user worldwide. Let's put this worldwide in bold, and when you submit, it's gonna be saved as a new page. But if you create an existing page, let's say HTML, you say HTML is not a programming language, and you submit, it's gonna give you this error message. Sorry, this encyclopedia already exists. Also, when you enter any entry, you will see the edit button to edit the entry. You can write anything. I love this man. And when you submit, you have the text. I love this man. You can edit. I love this man so much. Submit. I love this man so much. You also have the random page functionality, which allows you to go from a page to another randomly, just like this. Finally, you probably have noticed it's followed the Markdown format, thing like that. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it.